So first of all, let us clear a doubt of yours which has been planted in your mind by different creators of YouTube and Facebook. Facebook content monetization criteria and something like this within 60 days or 90 days, 10,000 followers and some watch time along with it, you must have been told. But here we will tell you the truth that Facebook has not mentioned anywhere that to get content monetization you should have 10,000 followers on your page or profile, or there should be a watch time of 60,000 minutes. All these criteria will be seen only on Google. Yes, this mention of 10,000 is on Facebook, but it is given here for some other monetization tool on Facebook, the truth of which will be known in this video. But before that, to clear your further doubt, we open an account here. After opening this account, we click on the profile. And here you can see that this profile does not have many followers and we do not upload content regularly on this account. We only upload our photos sometimes. But now we come back from this profile. After coming back, we click on the profile or three dots of this account. After this, click on the option of professional dashboard below. After this, we come down here. As soon as you come down, you must have seen content monetization. But now on the side of this monetization, we click on see all. After this is content monetization, we click on it. And here you can see that my dollar is also started. But we do not upload regular content on this account, due to which the dollar has not increased here. But here you can think that if you are uploading regular content on your account, be it reel or long video, then you can think how much dollar you can make here. So that is why you should have the right information about content monetization. At present, 90% of Facebook users do not know anything and they just click on I am interested or learn more and fill the form. And at present, maximum creators keep making 1,000 videos on the same topic for views, due to which they are not able to give correct information. But here you got to see the proof that whether you have 10,000 followers or 500 followers or 1,000 followers, you can easily get content monetization on your account. It is possible that the criteria for content monetization may come on Facebook in the coming year. But you should definitely take advantage of the opportunity to get content monetization, and how to take it, we will guide you point by point in this video. Along with this, at the end of this video, there is another good news for you, through which you can get content monetization on any Facebook page without uploading your content, which we have already taken on many copy-paste accounts. Those who are my regular subscribers will know this. So, if you want to get content monetization on your page or profile, then if you do the point or the thing that we are going to tell you in this video in your account, then within 7 days you will get the setup option easily on the side of content monetization. Come on brother, see what I do now. So now, before knowing the reality of content monetization, you should know the basics of the rest of the monetization tools on Facebook. How does it work? When is all this enabled? How is payment received? So that in future you can enable content monetization easily. So here to tell all this, we have come to a new account. No monetization tool is enabled in this account. So now we click on the profile of this account. After this, due to new update, the option of 3 dots is available on this side. You can also get 3 dots here. So you have to click on this and come to your profile like this and click on this professional dashboard here. After this you have to come down. After coming down, we click on see all on the side of monetization. As soon as we click, we can see here that no monetization tool is enabled in this account. But in star, the option of setup is still available. But to know about all these monetizations, first of all we click on this star option. As soon as you click, the interface will come like this, and here it will be told according to the video how this star works. As soon as you upload any content, you will find a star button in your content itself. The user who likes your content can click on this star button and pay there in his own way. So after seeing all this here, as soon as you scroll down, you will get to see a small criteria for it here. First of all, your monetization policy should be clear. Second, it should be eligible in your country. So it is obvious that Facebook monetization is eligible in India. Now here below this you will find that your profile should have at least 500 followers. That too within 30 days, only then this star will be enabled in your account. So there's no big criteria for this here. But now we come back from here. After coming back, we click on the option of subscription below. As soon as you click, here also it will be told according to the video how this subscription works. But to see its criteria, as soon as you come down a little, here in this account below the criteria, you can find a cut mark in this way. This tool is not available to you meaning this profile subscription is not available right now. But to know its real criteria, as soon as you click on learn more, a page will open in front of you in this way. And as you scroll down this page a little, here you will find its complete criteria mentioned that your page should have at least 10,000 followers. Along with this, there should be 250 plus running viewers within 60 days. Only then this subscription will be enabled on your profile. As we told at the beginning of the video that many users are talking about this screenshot and they tell the criteria of content monetization, which is completely wrong. Here this is the criteria of subscription which you must have come to know by now. So from here we come back now. Now here this main comes content monetization. As soon as we click on it, here also it will be told according to the video that how this content monetization works. Like we explain it to you in our language. Content monetization is a tool that monetizes your content. Like whatever reel you upload long video, upload photo or upload by typing any text. The payment of all this is deposited in content monetization and it comes to the bank account at the end of the month. That is why maximum users pay more attention to content monetization. But here, as soon as you come down a little to see the criteria, you will not find any mention that your page or profile should have 10,000 followers or watch time. But here, to know its reality, if you click on Learn More below, then this kind of page will come in front of you, and if you look carefully below in this, you will find the mention of currently invite only, meaning Facebook itself will invite for content monetization. You cannot take it in your own way. Whether you click on I am interested in submit or click on Learn More and fill the form, nothing is going to happen to you from this, and we will tell you when Facebook gives content monetization now. But before that, let us tell you about another monetization tool, Storefront. So for that, we will click on this Storefront. On clicking here, you will be told according to the video how the Storefront will work on your profile. After seeing all this, as soon as you come down, here also you will find a clear mention that invite only means Facebook itself will invite the Storefront. Here doing I am interested or other work will not do anything. So this is the reality of all these monetizations. Now let us tell you how content monetization is received. So here after seeing all the pages and profiles on which I have received content monetization, we have covered 4 points which you have to complete on your account from tomorrow or keep watching them. So here the first basic point is that there should be at least 5 videos on your account. Like there should be a reel post or a long video post. If you upload regular videos then it is best for you. But now the second point here is for those users who post copy-paste content or put reaction videos. Especially they have to pay attention to this thing. If you put your content then you have to wait for a while. So look, if you are uploading copy-paste content, then you do not have to copy-paste it completely. Like what maximum users are doing right now is that if they upload someone else's photo, then they download the same photo from Instagram of some creator and upload it on the same Facebook page, which you do not have to do. Be it a photo or a video or a movie clip, you have to add something to all the content. Then you have to upload it on Facebook. Only then will your account be monetized. So the users who copy-paste have to keep this thing in mind. Now the third point here is very important that you have to regularly upload reels or videos on your account, and along with that you have to create content on trending topics. By doing all this, you will not only get content monetization but the reach of your account will also increase. The video will also go viral. If there is no trust here, then you have to do all this work for 30 days. After that you will start seeing the result yourself. Now the fourth and last point here is that you have to follow the policy. Along with this, you should not create content with hate speech. Also, you should not create sexual content. Along with this, you should not have copyrighted content, which we told you a while ago. By doing all this, your Facebook will never get monetized. So, you have to follow these 4 points only. Now, the good news that we told you in the video is to come live. If at present you have original content or a copy-paste page or a movie clip page, if it has not been monetized for a long time, then you must come live on that page or profile 3 times a month. Even if you do not want to show your face and live, then you have to go to a place where you can easily come live and do voiceover. Like, if you do all this work for a month, then you will easily get content monetization on your account. It just depends on whether you are able to do this or not. So, I hope you liked this video. Subscribe to PRP Tech for such informative videos. See you in the next video.